Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about how to apply the wind load in Start Pro structure, and as well as I will use to how to run the wind load analysis. So today discuss how to run the wind load analysis. So let's start. First of all, when I get new project, and this is the foot kilogram, next, yes, and go to finish. This is graphical user interface. Then I will use to predefine member. So this is called geometry. When I get enter geometry, then down direction it is show you run structure wizard. When enter the run structure wizard, show you this is our frame model. I have entered the frame model and go to double click. Now see adjustment for our member here, hit 5 and get the 40. Let's do here between 2 and distance is 10. Now see this member has been create. If I get change, so definitely it is change. One I get apply, see this is the member here, then okay, it is would you like to transfer merge and prototype, so get yes, and here you can see this ask 0 point, so this is 0 axis and this is 0 and okay. Now see this has become the member right now. When I get use in another geometry here and go to structure run wizard, I will use to truss model. So this is truss model. When I get use the proof, double click, then member just 6 mm and this 5 mm and 40, like this is 2 here and go to 10 distance. So see this is member right now. When exit, cut from exit here, and this is our same thing and okay. They are asking if you want to 0 axis, but I want get reference point. So first of all, when I go to reference point, and this is the first point and this is second point, then after I can go to OK and join to this point. Okay. This is ask duplicate nodes, ignore and get. So right now you can see that this is member has been create. Okay, then after I will use to journal. This is journal and apply the section database. So when I get purchase Indian here, and first of all I get used to square tube. They are the different size of square tube here. When I use to 40 3.6 thickness, get apply, add, and use to angle here, different angle size. Here you can see that different types of angle here and okay, add, close. So let's go to front view. This is the member here. First of all use to tube here, square tube. When I get select in whole member, just hold it in control and this is the square member, and apply, go to here, assign to list and go to exit here, assign, and this is the assignment method you have to choose in assign selection beam. We want to proceed. Okay, then next it is member, angle member. So you can see here, this is whole member used to, and is this assigned to member. Okay, so used to easy from square member. Okay, right, this is made for now see this is the 3D view. Basically just I have create, right? This is our square member, this one is a square member, and this one is angle here to joint in particular, right? So exit here right now. When this is member, I apply, then after I will use to here you can see that load. First of all I choose the wind load, add, first wind load add right now and close, and this wind load add in particular wind height. So let's calculate the wind height in front view. This is the dimension and apply. So it is calculate 5 meter, and this is the 2.5 and 2.5. so this is 5 and also 5 by 10. Okay, so let's remove the dimension again, remove here and exit. This is the 3D view, and first of all when I get load, first of all I get the support. So when I create the support, so this is first of all when I use to front view, this is create the fix, so add right now, and this is support. When I get front view and click this down direction and assign, and here you can see that assign the fix, right? Then after use to different wind load analysis, so go to load, and this is the wind here, wind load, right? This is first wind load, apply. When I know that start the wind intensity, so start from 1, there 2 feet, 2, 4 feet, 3, 6 feet, 4, 8 feet, 5, 10 feet, 6, 12 feet, 7, 15 feet. This is apply, and their intensity is 1. Now this is intensity is 1 here, then close. When I get apply the whole diagram, this is like intensity, and apply and go to assign, select this and go to assign. Okay, right. Then after I will choose from load case. This is here load case, and first of all there are many different types of load here. First, dead load. So when I get dead load, then second is live load. We will apply the live load, and then again I will show you wind load. So wind load x direction, and also wind load y direction, z direction. So it is apply. I have get choose from x direction. So wind load here, and this is x direction, and their height is 15, maximum height. Start from 0, then okay 8, then next minus x direction, and start from 0 and maximum 15 feet. So again I will choose from this z direction and go to 8, and here you can see that wind, and this is z direction, and start 0 and maximum 15, 8, and minus z direction, start 0 and 15, 8. So now I will show you how to use to wind here. So this is the x direction is type 1, start 0 to here you can see that upward direction, and same thing is minus x direction. Same procedure we get the z direction, and this is minus z direction. Friends, today I will talk about how to get run analysis in wind load. So I will show you how to get run analysis in wind load. So this is I have a calculate, then after go to run analysis. So let's enter the analysis, then just show you run analysis. When get enter, this is us. Yes, this is called save. Now show you, this is ask start from run. There are many different mode here. So if you done right now, and it is calculate the run. So how many number of joint and node we have calculate every member, and it is here show you. So this is used to different member and selection. So this type of run analysis, when go to analyze and go to run and calculate. So today has completed the session, and do likes and subscribe our channel.